Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode over on Pinterest. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this on Android first and after this on iPhone. So in order to enable dark mode over on Android for Pinterest, what you need to do is open the Pinterest app, and then you want to go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have done that, all you need to do is go to the top right corner of your screen and there's three little dots, and then you want to click on settings right here. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure you click on account management, and then literally right here over on Android you will see an option called change app theme or something with a change theme of your app, something like that. It's really obvious, you will definitely find it. Unfortunately, as you guys can see on iPhone, we just don't have this option. Luckily, there's still an easy way in order to turn on dark mode for Pinterest. So in order to do this, what we simply need to do is head over to our settings app on iPhone, just like this. And then you want to scroll down a little bit till you find display and brightness. And what you simply need to do is put your entire phone into dark mode, just like this. You can see my phone is now in dark mode. And then when I go into Pinterest right now, we can see that also my Pinterest is now in dark mode. And that's basically the only way in order to enable dark mode over on Pinterest. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.